station's emergency response center. I'm firefighter Kiki. There is an emergency call for help. Oh no, the building is on fire! Firefighter, please come and put out the fire! There is thick smoke inside the house. The person trapped needs a wet towel. Drag the towel to the trapped person. All fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to call the fire department if there is a fire. The fire brigade will come to the rescue immediately. Firefighting is tap to equip the magical item. Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Drag the... Turn the hose to tighten it. Let's connect the pipes together. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose. There is an emergency call for help! Help! Tap the person in the water and throw a life buoy. Rescue mission completed! Slide the red button to lift the barrier. What shall we do? The baby foxes were successfully found. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, it's dangerous to climb up high. Look, the pool is short of water, and the wooden bridge cannot be crossed. Let's fill the pool with water. Drag the hose to fill the pool with water. Fantastic! The wooden bridge has floated up and it can be crossed. There is an emergency call for help! Oh no, the supermarket is on fire and many people are trapped! There are 4 trapped people in the supermarket. Let's start. Move Kiki to find the trapped people. There is an obstacle. Fire axe can split all blocking boxes. Move Kiki to find the trapped people. There's a fire. Put it out. Fire extinguisher can put out all fires. The trapped person is struggling. Thank you. The gas mask has strong protection. It can help isolate smoke and toxic gases. Move Kiki to find the trapped people. There is an obstacle. Get it. Move Kiki to find the trapped people. The trapped person is struggling to breathe and needs help.
Oh!
Thank you. Choose protective tools for the
Yeah!
Thank you. There is an obstacle. Get it cleared. Emergency shovel can shovel away all obstacles. The trapped person is in danger. Help him quickly. Thank you.